to the winter storm watches.
Winter storm warning in effect from 4 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday.
It's gonna be a doubleheader.
Heavy snow expected.
They issued an upgrade to the winter storm warnings.
5 to 9 inches. Where? Portions of southern
Yo.
Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York.
No way.
When? From 4 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday.
It's gonna be a doubleheader, guys.
Travel could be very difficult. Additional details: the heaviest snow will fall during the evening into early morning hours. There could be some light rain or drizzle mixed in overnight.
Dude.
If you must travel,
Another
keep an extra
double-
flashlight, food, and
Another
water in
winter
your vehicle
storm
in
warning.
case of an emergency.
Bro.
Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road
What the
conditions.
hell? Another one. It's gonna be a doubleheader.
Here is the type information.
Oh, it's not a doubleheader.
At Sandy Hook, high tide is at 2:15 p.m. Friday and 3 a.m. Saturday. Low tide is at 8:46 p.m. Friday and 9:46
I got